For today's video, I'll be hand sewing a linen shift based off examples in the Met Museum. For the main rectangle, I measured my shoulder width and doubled that number. Then, for the length, I just measured about 5 inches above my ankle. Gores were a common way to add legroom in a shift, and they can be made from a rectangle cut diagonally. I'm going to machine stitch the gores together on the straight edge. In total, there will be 12 felled seams and 16 counting hems, so I'll be using the machine for most running stitches to save on time. The order I put the pieces of this shift together is kind of backwards compared to most I've seen online, so I'll leave a link to Bernadette Banner's video in the description. Now that the gores are assembled, I am attaching them to the main rectangle. Now I'm going to whip stitch these felled seams. I lost the footage of making the sleeves, so this is how it turned out. I had to add a little bit of extra fabric to the top of the shoulder so the sleeve could be attached. So I'm going to cut the neckline, and I found the center here, and then I'm going to basically sketch out a square like this, and I'm going to take my kombucha bottle and round out the edges. I'm going to hem around the edge and add a drawstring.